And so as we settle into a sense of ease in the body-mind, I'll speak through the 3 features on the path, 3 inner methods we might use in the face of difficulty. 3 methods for awakening through suffering. Knowing that suffering or dukkha is part of the path, we might examine and then attend to whatever pain this body-mind carries. So not to suppress or repress difficulty, but not getting drunk on it either. Just a skillful application of compassion. This healing balm of, I see you, let's have tea. So to turn towards the places or the parts within us that have gotten stuck. And in that we create a container for acceptance. Developing the capacity to accept life rather than resent or resist it. So, right now, cherishing the practice, regardless of how it's going for you. If impatience or agitation or an urgency is in the field, let that be part of the fabric. Make some room for those parts to be. And that way we become less pulled by our moods. Because when we turn towards and host or fully experience our dukkha, we're no longer afraid it will swallow us whole. Now the second method is to build the altar of the inner body, the space within us that we might seek refuge within. Creating a temple in our own bodies that knows how to be with what's difficult, this self-trust or inner domain of safety. So find a space within now that feels spacious yet secure. And dwell in that inner domain of safety. Feel yourself arriving there fully for just a few rounds of breath. And then weaving in a golden infinity sign, like a figure 8, into that space, where around and around that spiraling of chi, you can plant this inner mantra. I can be safe here. No matter the conditions, if even for a few breaths. I can be safe here, no matter the conditions, if even for a few breaths. Lastly, in ancient Taoist practice called Tonglen, a practice of giving and receiving the breathing pattern towards a part within that has some psychological stress, a part that has dukkha. So picking any part within, any story, any memory, any feature of pain, and on the inhale, we'll give our attention to that thing completely. And on the exhale, you'll breathe some space around it. On the in-breath, turning towards, fully breathing in to whatever feature you're hosting that's been buried or exiled or neglected. And the exhale, room for it to ventilate. Three more rounds of breath. And then a softening back down into the low belly space. And resting here.